In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get your boarding pass on Qatar Airways on your smartphone device. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up either your App Store or your Google Play Store. From here, you'll need to search up Qatar down in the search bar and click in Qatar Airways like so. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to download it or open it on your smartphone. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll be able to either register for your account, sign into your already existing account, or log in as a guest. All of these three will work with getting your boarding pass on your smartphone. From here, you'll need to go down to the bottom menu and go down to My Trips. Then from here, it should look something like this. Up in the right hand corner, you'll see a plus icon where you'll be able to add a trip. And here you'll either be able to select booking reference or e-ticket number. With both, you'll also be able to use your camera to scan it directly into the app, but you can just click it here or autofill it or booking number. From here, you'll also need to add in your last name as on a passport and as you wrote when you ordered the trip. From here, you'll need to click add trip, and then you'll be able to get your boarding pass right on your smartphone device, plus a bunch of other information about your airplane and other tips to make your trip more comfortable for yourself. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!